Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now by isolating the rusty metal from any ropes or floats because contact spreads corrosion. Once separated, lay the net on a tarp and mix a 1-to-1 white vinegar and water solution in a bucket. You then dunk or pour the solution over the rusted mesh for 30 to 60 minutes. This acid soak loosens iron oxide. Make sure to wear gloves and eye protection while the chemical action begins. Do not delay to the next step. Once the soak has softened deposits, you scrub the mesh vigorously with a wire brush or stainless steel pad, moving along the fibers to avoid tearing any webbing. After mechanical removal, apply a baking soda paste to the treated areas to neutralize the acid and lift remaining rust particles. Let it sit for 10 minutes. Rinse the net thoroughly with fresh water while supporting the mesh to prevent stretching. If rust persists, repeat the vinegar soak and targeted scrubbing until the surface looks clean. You finish by drying the net completely in sunlight or with low heat. Moisture left in creases causes flash rust. Once dry, apply a light oil or dedicated rust inhibitor to metal fittings and the mesh surface to prevent recurrence, then reassemble the net. If you encounter deep pitting or compromised strands, reinforce those sections with stainless repair links or replace the damaged segment. This prevents failure under load. Troubleshooting tip: if rust returns within days, check for trapped moisture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.